Good afternoon, everyone. Today, we steamers are here to present our idea of a deep sea cleaning submarine known as Sea Seeker. Our oceans are drowned in plastic waste, posing a severe threat to the marine life and the ecosystem. The current estimates show that millions of tons of plastic waste enter the oceans every year, creating massive garbage hotspots. It not only harms the aquatic life but also harms our human health and the global economy. Traditional cleanup methods are not efficient enough and are costly and are unable to reach the deep sea areas.
Introducing the Deep Sea Cleaner, Sea Seeker, an AI-powered autonomous underwater vehicle specially designed to address the pollution crisis in the ocean.
Now let's quickly go over all the key features of our deep sea cleaner. Firstly, it's integrated with AI. It uses advanced AI algorithms to navigate around the deep sea. So it uses a LiDAR sensor and computer vision to map out the entire deep sea and find out where the garbage is located and differentiate between trash and marine life, so it doesn't harm the marine life and only picks up the garbage. And using SLAM technologies, it also maps out the entire ocean so it can navigate easily around it.
So here's the outer shell of the submarine, and this will be the inner robot. So this robot contains sensors like the LiDAR sensor, which, as Jivesh said, maps the ocean. It also has this camera, which is used for computer vision to track the space debris, and most importantly, it has this claw, which moves via motor, and it can catch all the garbage using this claw. Furthermore, it will separate the garbage so that it doesn't actually accidentally kill all the marine life.
So we also have a hydro fuel, that is, it uses water as its primary fuel and it is very sustainable. Moreover, it also has real-time monitoring which help us in collecting the data about garbage metrics and nearby local hotspots of the garbage. Moreover, its impact is revolutionary because it helps us move forward in our future goal of SDGs 2025. That is, it completes the SDG 15 life below water. Thank you all for listening to us.